Today's story is called Plants in Spring by Martha Rusted, and the publisher is Capstone Publishing. Let's look at the cover. It's a photograph of flowers, sky, and the sunshine. It almost looks like we're ants or caterpillars on the ground looking up. We're on the ground looking up towards the flowers. Let's see what happens inside this nonfiction story. Oh, here's the first picture. It's a hand putting little seeds into the soil. It's spring, a new season. We plant seeds and wait for sunlight and rain. Sunlight and rain are what help the seed to grow into a plant. Oh, look, the seeds are under the ground. The spring rain makes the ground wet. Plant roots suck up the water from the soil. Look, these are the roots. They're going down, down, deeper into the soil. They're like little straws. They suck up the water, and then it goes right into that seed as it starts to open up and grow up. Soon, shoots and stems poke through the soil. It looks like this one's saying, ta-da! They're poking up all those little shoots. Daylight lasts longer in springtime. Leaves take in the sunlight. Look at these leaves. All the sun goes right in there and they drink it up as their food. Oh, look, a watering can. Plants make their own food with sunlight, water, air, and nutrients. These plants are getting a big drink and they're taking in the sunlight at the same time. Bees like bright blooming flowers. Bees gather nectar from the flowers. Look, the nectar will be right there in the middle of the flowers. They'll fly right down and get some. Pollen from the flower sticks to them, the bees. Bees carry the pollen from flower to flower. Look, it looks like they're wearing a little fuzzy jacket and the sticky pollen sticks right to them. Soon, flowers make fruit. New seeds grow inside the fruits. Oh, friends, remember when we had apple study in the very beginning of the year? We cut open an apple and you could see the seeds inside. Those are what will be planted again the next year to make a new tree and plant start to grow. These are green apples. Spring is a season for planting and growing. What plants do you see in the spring? Let me think of some of the plants I've seen. I've seen daffodils. I've seen trees. I've seen tulips. I've started to see some vegetable plants grow at my mom's garden. And all different kinds of flowers are coming alive on bushes, and flowers are growing in flower pots too. Look, this little girl's smelling the flower. It's kind of fun to smell the flowers because they smell different from one another. Some of them smell really sweet. Some of them don't have much of a smell. And some of them aren't my favorite smells. You have to smell them to find out. And in the back, there's some lists of words of things that we should have learned from this story. We learned that flowers bloom. Fruit is the juicy part of a plant that contains a seed and usually can be eaten. There's nectar, nutrients, pollen, the roots of the plant, the seed of the plant, the shoots, and the stem. Well, I hope you friends have a great weekend. Bye.